or nervous and under sympathetic stimulation, under fight or flight, your pupils dilate. That allows you to see greater detail with more light bouncing off of things hitting your eyeball so that you can focus and see all the detail to escape or fight for your life. You should know that. Now, if you think, for example, if you're a police officer or emergency medical technician or working in the ER or the OR, and you think someone might be on speed or methamphetamine or cocaine or some kind of upper, you can shine a bright light across their pupils. If their pupils are massively dilated, they're on a central nervous stimulant. And if you shine a bright light and they don't constrict, then you know something is overriding the brain's ability to do what it normally does. They're on some kind of CNS stimulant, speed, cocaine, methamphetamine, some kind of upper. Now, if you shine a bright light on someone's eyes and they're constricted, and you hold it there for a while, and then you remove it, and they don't dilate, then they're on some kind of CNS suppressant. So it allows people to kind of figure out sometimes if someone's nervous and lying, if someone's tired, or if they're on uppers or downers, things like Xanax and other things that kind of chill you out. So some interesting information there. Now, if you're following along on page 12, we've covered that information. I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to do the rest of the page on another set of lectures, or the next lecture, because I've got to cut these at about 30 minutes or else it gets unbearable to watch. I'm trying to cover a lot of information, but I don't want to go too fast because the goal here is to learn, not just to cover information. And if the videos get too long, I can't load them into YouTube very easily. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful and you learned something. We're going to continue the eyeball in the next video. I hope you had as much fun as I did. See you in the next one.